Shirley Kong is asking this question. My partner business very bad and he's trying to get rid of the warehouse that he bought before and there's no buyer. Can he get rid of it as he's cash strapped at the moment? So you're asking about your partner's business and he wants to sell his warehouse and he can't sell it. Okay, that's what you're asking, right? 1970, October 27. How can he find a buyer and should he end his business? Okay. Let's see here, yeah? 1970 is also year of the Yang metal, right? Yang metal, door of rest, and you're talking about a warehouse. So the warehouse, let's look at the warehouse element here. Door of delusion. I don't think there'll be a buyer in the first place, okay? Not at least until December. The chart doesn't show that there's a potential buyer until December. And the reason why your partner and your business is losing money is because he's extremely bad in financial management. I mean, he doesn't even know how to manage his own finances properly. So that's a big problem with him. Okay, so he's got great ideas of doing something, but the problem is he's not very good at executing these ideas and is very bad when it comes to managing his numbers. So this type of the way he does business is not good at all. Yeah, so that's why at this stage in time, it is better that he move on to working for somebody else, which give him the discipline as well as the structure to work. Actually, he will actually be happier because at this stage here, looking at his chart, he's not able to give that sort of energy and enthusiasm to be able to become a good entrepreneur. So that would not be very good as a business owner. So yeah, go and work for somebody else. That will give you a better outcome in life. Okay. Like this video, then subscribe to joeyyap.tv for more fascinating insights on Chinese metaphysics.